How to delete Google Maps recent search history on iPhone. The first thing you want to do is to tap your initial symbol or profile picture up in the top right corner. And then you want to tap Settings. And from here you want to scroll down to Maps History. And inside here you want to tap the delete button on the right here. And from here you can choose whether you want to delete today, or you can delete a custom range. Let's say you want to delete 2 weeks back, and you can delete from all time. And let's just tap delete today. So this is how you delete Google Maps recent search history on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.